Okay, now in this part we will learn about nested if-else. Now I think you know very well about what is if-else statement. Okay, what is if and else part. Now this is nesting if-else. That means it is possible that in if statement, if condition is true, then in if statement, in if statement, there are also certain condition, and based on that condition, their execution will be followed. After that, it can be possible in your else statement also. That means in 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 if portion, there it comes if else, or in else part there comes if else statement. Okay, so let's just understand this using one program. One There is one main function, and what is our purpose is just to understand nested if statement. Okay, very easy, very easy. If you have understood if else statement very well, then you just get it to know and understand it very soon. I have just declared one integer variable I, and printf enter either 1 or 2. That means you have clearly mentioned in the message itself that you have to enter only 1 or 2. Now it is another case. If user have entered another value, then what will happen? Okay, I will give you a solution of that. Okay, so printf enter either 1 or 2. Okay, and user has entered value, then in scanf function %d and address of I. That means your value is going to store in variable I. After that, here it comes your if else statement. Now you can see that if you entered value 1, then what will happen? Just a common printf statement, you would go to heaven. Oh wow, okay, you would go to heaven. Now if condition become false, that means you have entered 2. Okay, then what will happen? If you have entered 2, then hell was created with you in your mind. Okay, and if you have not entered even 2 also, then the message will be printed, how about mother? Okay, so I have just asked about what will happen if user have entered 3 or 4. That means something else in spite of 1 or 2. Then, for example, look at this. If you enter 1, then this statement gonna print it out. Okay, if you have not entered 1, that means your else part is going to be executed. Now in else part itself, there is one if else block. Okay, you can see that if and else. Okay, so in else part you have put one condition. If I is equals to 2, then there is some message, and else printf some message. Okay, let me just give you one example. New file. Understand nested if else. Okay, we are going to use printf scanf statement, as we have to include our stdio .h. After that, our main function void main. Okay, after that, this integer I to take input from user. After that, simple message printf enter 1 or 2. Okay, semicolon must be there after every single instruction. Then scanf to store input of user. Now we have declared integer data type. That means we have to use %d, in which variable we are going to store. So that is our variable I. Okay, now our Input part is done. Okay. Now if user has entered 1, that means if your value of I is equals to 1, okay, then what will happen? You would go to earth. But okay, let's just take me one different message. Printf, if user have entered 1, that means you are at home. That means you are safe. Okay. Just due to corona, I just got this message. Okay. And if this condition is wrong, then there comes another if statement, and in this if statement, if value of I equal to 2, okay, then printf if 1, that means you are at home. If 2, that means you are out. Take care. Okay. Take care from corona. And if he just entered a value something else, then printf, oh my god, you are corona positive. I think doctor should have used this program. Okay, whenever the patient enters data 1 or 2 and he just got report in just a single click. Okay. Isn't it funny? Okay, we have just completed our both part. If I is equals to 1, then you are at home. That means you are safe. And user has entered 2. This is not confirmed that it has entered 2, but not entered 1. Okay. Then if entered 2, then printf off. You are out. Take care from corona. It's okay, that means, but take care of corona if you are out of home. But if you have entered like 3, 4, then oh my god, you are corona positive. Okay, let me just compile it. Okay, but nested example .c, compile it. Okay, our compilation done successfully, then run. Enter 1 or 2. Let's say I have entered 1. Okay, you are at home. That means you are safe. We got appropriate message. Again, 2. Oh, you are out. Take care of from corona. Okay, thank you. After that, let me just enter 10. Oh my god, I just got corona positive. So this is all about nested if-else statement. Okay, just keep practicing. This will it is very necessary in any programming field. So just keep practice, and if you face any query, just contact me. Thank you.